To fix a Frigidaire dishwasher that won't stop running, start by identifying the possible causes of the problem. The most common causes include a faulty timer, a malfunctioning thermostat, or a problem with the dishwasher's control board. First, ensure the dishwasher is properly installed and leveled, as an uneven surface can cause the dishwasher to vibrate excessively and lead to problems. Check the user manual to confirm the installation requirements. Next, check the dishwasher's filter and clean it if necessary. A clogged filter can cause the dishwasher to run continuously. Locate the filter, usually at the bottom of the dishwasher, and remove any debris or food particles. If the filter is clean, check the dishwasher's thermostat. The thermostat regulates the water temperature during the wash cycle. If it's faulty, the dishwasher may not be able to complete the cycle. Check the thermostat for any signs of damage or wear and replace it if necessary. Another possible cause is a faulty timer. The timer controls the length of each cycle. If it's not working correctly, the dishwasher may run indefinitely. Check the timer for any signs of damage or wear and replace it if necessary. If none of these steps resolve the issue, the problem may lie with the dishwasher's control board. The control board is the brain of the dishwasher and controls all its functions. If it's faulty, the dishwasher may not be able to complete the cycle. In this case, it's recommended to consult a professional for assistance. To prevent this problem from occurring in the future, regularly check and maintain the dishwasher's filter, thermostat, and timer. Also, ensure the dishwasher is properly installed and leveled. By following these steps and taking preventative measures, you can fix a Frigidaire dishwasher that won't stop running and ensure it continues to function properly.